Namaste Prayer Beads by Claudia Tremblay, Special Treatment, version 3. We start the special treatment with electric diamonds sprinkled in the whitest areas in the background. So these are the electric diamonds over here. And then for version 2, we've got magenta crystals that we have sprinkled on the red areas on the picture, and that would be on the red butterflies right over here, as well as on some of the red flowers over here and over here as well. And finally for version 3, we've got sapphire that we have sprinkled on the blue areas. So place them on the blue flowers and blue butterfly right over here. Once again, Namaste Prayer Beads by Claudia Tremblay, version 3 special treatment. Includes electric diamonds, magenta crystals, and sapphire diamonds.